Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasi
baru kini gi khubor bam tagasngi. The school mission of a primary SSE school Mawryngkneng kalapan kalak Hongpong bat Pynnep Jabieng yaki he Sorkar he pulit bat ki he Shipai ki bon shimbenta kasngi republic kabla long hamadan polo menaka arhnu tarik ukalalingkon arhajar arkusang. The school mission of a primary SSE school Mawryngkneng kabla mi khmat ya ka block Mawryngkneng ha ka republic di ban pen I ya ki jingile kai ki lanmet da ka jinghi kai ya ki Shipai ki bidang don ha ka tem jinghi kai kasap jonggi khna school ki bala pen I kalapan kendet ki briu Sorkar kham tam ya DGP ka jilla u Dr. Ram Bishnoi IPS u bala khot ki tegi khna school bancha shandurlang bat u bat ka Sorkar kita ki kena school ki bala yo ban pen I ya ka sap jongki ha ka jinghi kai por basha hi kai kumno banyale ba ki kin hon le no ki bayale persha ya ka imlang ka sanang shu ha ba yo I ya ka jingriam uniform jongki kena school la kum ki Shipai ya le thma banyada ya ka ri haba pen I ya ka sap jong ka school Mawryngkneng kala yo e ka nam baar na kaliang u DGP u Dr. Ram Bishnoi IPS u hasmogmen palan bad yo I ya ka jingnang jingpna jongki khna school mission SSE Mawryngkneng ban penda driam kum ka dress Shipai bat kitu pia phlang jerngam na kaliang u DGP un lechngo ya ka te ka school
You can join us. Come here. Well, that's all. Yeah, that young man. The two militants are apprehended by police.
Sir,
Very nice.
sir, ready, sir?
You want to join police? Police? Yeah. And you are also police? Very nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to announce
From the mission school Mawryngkneng, they performed drill very nicely, depicting the victory at Kargil. And the group was composed of both boys and girls. Their drill was really amazingly efficient. We all were impressed with their drills, and whoever has conceived this idea, he also deserves a huge applause from everyone. I love to visit that school and see the working of the school classes and other. It will be pleasure for me to visit and interact with the school students.
Well, sir, since we have seen that
I agree with you. I fully agree with you. All the schools, they should try to motivate their students to do such kinds of patriotic drills, which will definitely inspire them to join police and armed forces. They are our future soldiers. After seeing their performance, I can very well say that they are the future soldiers of India.
so will
Definitely love to visit all the schools in the Shillongs and the nearby areas, and wherever and whenever the time permits, we love to take our Mega Shakti units to demonstrate before the students, to motivate them, to inspire them, so that more and more school students they can participate in such patriotic drills.
sir,
Ya tu kendit ya kena kerja cemeta ke sekolah tu pina mau kena kerja ke sekolah kuno piyok mencemeta ni.
Kapan kang apa kerteng ke school jangi kedega mission apa primary school te kapan kang kabang yo kalat bangin in perform hak independence day apa kadang ka inter sport competition pe ngijak hangta badan Mawryngkneng nang tapan di kadang sa katuka program jang beti bachao beti padhao kabadega program chatikin thai te EBMC jong lemba EBMC o ikadingi bang perform hablok te hangta apa ka program jang beti bachao beti padhao pan one EDC man long kum chipkes te EDC pan lemba jong kata kasni bangi perform hablok te la fix na yangi ba in khadingi bangin wan ban yo ban chimenta kan gasi ke ba crowd kan ni
Manu bahi kai kini kena.
mangi hi kinai kai ma ya da ka ching ya trelang ka ching te la ban rungkat bat ka ching tri chitam ki ching songo chi thna ru ko lang ta hi bat kum je nga ai ke buro mi ki pa di badan kata ka ching ke the ban te lang bat ki kinai kai ke ka ka daun la ban ka ching mu ching kan ka bachang
Tangi i ke jimpeng kre karyam ko bet jungki pelajar serium kutik kum tu Shipai pakai hakari kuno piyo idea kini.
Ya kan ni isu long kata ka idea ka ba isu perkat na maraba ka dei ka si ni perform ha ka si ba crowd ka India ma ka independence day ning kong imta si ru ka dei ka republic day ka dei ka si ba crowd ka ri India ba i chon te halal kata ki ni perkat ba lemda don kata ka chingtri shitam ban kumno ban yadai ka ri mo i treat ki bakin long tin kita bakin dan kami siam ka ching i ka ri bad ba kin dan ru ka chingkit khle na kam ta ka ri ke changi kumno ban yadan ki nusion ka kirtan changa meres dan spong
Hai pisak Mawryngkneng.
hoi